Most cruisers have no idea how many things on board are totally free, simply because they never ask and they just don't know to ask. Today I'm going to share 15 of my top free perks, freebies, and money-saving secrets that can save you on almost any cruise line. Whether you're sailing Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian, Celebrity, Princess, Virgin, Disney, these tips apply across the board. I'm going to even share with you my most frequently asked freebie. So this video contains must-know cruise hacks for beginners as well as experienced cruisers. If you want to cruise smarter, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Hi, welcome to Cruise Savvy, or welcome back. We're not going to waste any time or money today. So let's dive in with my 15 free items that you can ask for on any cruise. Free towels. Avoid this big packing mistake. You don't want to pack towels, beach towels that is. Space is limited in your suitcase. Every ship is going to provide you free towels to use at the pool. Yes, most of us know this, but you can also take those towels with you to your port of call, whether you're having a beach day on another island or you're participating in an excursion where you're going to be getting wet. You're allowed to take your towel with you. Just be sure to return them afterwards, or yes, you could get charged. Number 2, free casino lessons. That's right. You want to learn to play blackjack or craps without losing all your money? Every morning, the casino staff usually offers free beginner casino lessons, so you can learn to play those games. Games like blackjack, craps, roulette, without risking your own money. There's no pressure to buy in. You just show up and you play. Check your cruise planner for times and days. Who knows? Maybe you'll even win a free cruise. Number 3, free over-the-counter medication. Yes. It's another hidden freebie, and it's available at guest services. Don't buy these items from the cruise gift shop or those vending machines. Just head to guest services where you can ask for things like free motion sickness tablets, basic pain relievers, and small first aid items like Band-Aids. Of course, they're not going to advertise this, but I'm here to tell you that if you ask, they're going to give you what you need. Here's a pro tip. If you have time, stop at guest services and grab a few of those seasick tablets early in your cruise and keep them for you for your excursions. I get so motion sick that this is a big one. So if I run out, I have extra. Plus, be sure to stick around to the end of this video where I'm going to tell you about my number 1 most asked for freebie. The next free thing that we're going to talk about is the basic Wi-Fi for the cruise line's app. You don't need to pay for this internet package to check daily schedules, dining times, to make your reservations for entertainment. It's all inside the cruise ship's free app. Just be sure that you're on airplane mode if you're at sea, and then connect to the ship's Wi-Fi. I hope you're finding these tips helpful. Please consider hitting that like button or subscribe to Cruise Savvy. It does help our channel grow. Next up is number 5, free drinks. Yep, you heard me right. If you didn't buy that drink package, there are plenty of opportunities on board to find some free drinks. You can get free champagne at events like the art auctions, jewelry previews, and boutique openings. You're not required to buy anything. Just enjoy the bubbly. The liquor store on board generally has samples available during certain days, so you can go and try samples, and then if you want, you can purchase. This is how I actually discovered my favorite coffee liqueur called Sheridan. If you know what I'm talking about, leave me a comment below. That stuff is great. Number 6 is free room service breakfast. That's another perk that a lot of people miss. So continental breakfasts like coffee, pastries, juice, fruit, this all comes with no delivery fee or hidden charges. You just need to hang your little room service card the night before on the back of your door. It'll be delivered at whatever time you ask, and you can relax and ease into your day. Head to the buffet or the main dining room for breakfast when everyone is ready. Okay, Next up, if you're cruising with little ones, do not pack the floaties or the big life jackets in your luggage. They have free life jackets. Every cruise ship has life jackets available for use at the pools on board and or those splash zones. They're kept in great condition. They're sanitized after every use. Just ask. It's one of the easiest freebies on board. Crew members will even help you find the right size for your child. Okay, we're a little over halfway done. Number 8. This is another one that people may have heard about, but they're too afraid to ask. We're talking about free multiple entrees in that main dining room, even at the specialty restaurants. You can order more than one appetizer, entree, and dessert. You can even just request an entree without all the sides if it's coming in addition to your main entree. The dining staff, they expect this and they encourage it, so don't feel funny about it. This is one of the best things about cruising. The only exception is typically on lobster night, where extra lobster tails may have an upcharge depending on your cruise line. Next, number 9. The cruise gym is also completely free. Cruise gyms, fitness centers are large and they're modern. They have state-of-the-art equipment and there is no sign-up fee. As a matter of fact, you don't even need to ask. Just show up at the gym and start working out. Some ships even have a hot tub in their gym. So if the one on the pool deck is too crowded, try going down to the gym and seeing if you can hop in that hot tub. Now, there are some specialty classes that are usually offered on your cruise ships. They do have an upcharge, but just to use the gym equipment and basic weights are free. Here's a pro tip. If you find the shower in your cruise cabin just a little too small, or maybe it's not tall enough because you're extremely tall, take your toiletry bag down to the gym and enjoy a nice roomy shower there. Number 10. You basically get a free personal chef if you have dietary restrictions. There is no cost to have your meals prepared exactly the way you need them. The cruise line's dining team will work with the head chef to make sure that your food is prepared and it's prepared safely, often in a separate prep area. The crew is usually going to ask on the first night if anybody has any such allergy or dietary restrictions so they can help you plan ahead. This is done in the main dining room as well as the specialty restaurants. The next free tip is number 11. We're talking about free shuttles. So many cruise ports offer free shuttles from your ship all the way down to that port entrance. Because let's face it, sometimes you arrive at a port and you've got quite a long walk and it can be pretty hot sometimes. Just ask your cruise line if they offer a free shuttle and you can prepare for that on your way out. The next one is for the kids. Oh yeah, and the adults. So we're talking about number 12, unlimited soft serve ice cream or frozen yogurt. It's another wonderful freebie. You're going to find these stations right up on your pool deck, so you can grab a cone or a cup and fill it right up. Some cruise lines will do it for you, while other cruise lines let you take control. So save your money at those specialty dessert bars if you just want a quick cone while you're up at the pool. Tip 13, if you're traveling with a baby, do not bring a pack and play or a portable crib. Don't buy one just for the sake of your cruise. That is way too much to lug around in an airport and way too much money. The cruise line will provide a pack and play or a crib for free. It will be clean, it will be sanitized, and it fits better in your cabin space. So don't overpack and stress over where the baby's going to sleep. There's no cost and it's hassle-free. Just request this ahead of time and it'll be cleaned and waiting for you when you arrive in your cabin. Here we are. You made it all the way to the end of the video, almost. And I told you that the very last one, number 15, the free item here, is the one that I take advantage of the most on my cruises. And it is a free mattress topper. Now, these are limited. So as soon as you meet your cabin attendant, ask for the mattress topper. They are very limited. They're going to make sure they do their best to make sure your bed is as comfortable as possible during your stay. Maybe you don't need it, depending on your cruise line. I mean, let's think. If you're traveling on Disney Cruise Line, I think they have the best mattresses at sea. You may not need that. But if you're traveling on some of the other cruise lines, just do yourself a favor and ask for that mattress topper. And there you have it, 15 totally free things that you can ask for on your cruise. These are some of the easiest and most overlooked free perks you can get. And they save you a lot of money over the course of your vacation. So if you want to continue to cruise smarter and save money, be sure to subscribe to Cruise Savvy and hit that like button. Have questions? Drop them in the comments because I try to answer every question or comment for that matter. I really truly hope that you found this helpful, and I cannot wait to see you guys out on the sea. And until then, happy sailing.